Hi, welcome back once again to English classes. Today we are going to verify be forms, do forms, have forms, uses. Be forms means am, is, was, or, were, be, being, been. These 8 are called be forms. Do forms, do, does, did. These are called do forms. Have, has, had. These are called have forms. Now we are going to verify one by one. First, I dash a teacher. Be forms am, is, was, were. Okay. So after the we are using we are using after I. Am we are using after I. So the right answer we can take I am a teacher. I am a teacher. And also this is present tense because there is nothing in the sentence to show that it is past tense. Past tense means the work completed. Yesterday, last week, last month, last year, like this. It will show. Nothing is there now. This is present tense. So that's why we can take I am a teacher. I dash a student in 2000. 2000 refers to past tense. 2000 refers to past tense. So here we can take the past verb. After the I, past B form is was. Was. Present tense we written already am. Past tense means was. How we can tell this is the past tense? In 2000. Not now. In 2000 I was a student. I was a student in 2000. Next. Presently, he dash a doctor. Presently, he dash doctor. So, he refers to third persons singulars. After singulars third person means he, she, it, Rama, Sharma, like this we are taking. We are using is in the present tense. Presently, he is a doctor. Yes. Presently, he is a doctor. Next, coming to next one. Here, she was a nurse last year, not now. So, was singulars, first person or third person, anything singulars. Past tense we are using was. Was. You can't say was, wrong pronunciation. You can say was. So, she was a nurse last year. Next, we dash students only. This is also present tense because there is nothing showing it is in the past tense. I said already, last year, in 2000, yesterday, before a month, like that any word is there, sentence is in the past tense. Nothing is there now, present tense. After the plurals, be forms, we can take or, yeah, this is or. We are students only, present tense. They dash living in China in 2019. Maybe in the total 2019, they were living in China. They were living in China total 2019. So that's why you can take our past tense were. This is the answer. They were living in China in 2019. This refers to past tense. This refers to past tense. So that's why were you can take. Next. They were living in China. Next. We dash our work regularly. This is also present tense. Regularly work is going on. Present tense only. So, do forms. After I and plurals, you are using do with the plurals and I. So, answer, we do our work regularly. Yes. Next. So, we do our work regularly. We dash our work yesterday. Yesterday means past tense. It refers to past tense. So, that's why you can take our past tense, sorry, do past tense did. Here these are coming under the present tense, does and do. Here past tense did. Third verb done. So past tense you can take here because yesterday work we did our work yesterday. We did our work yesterday. We did our work yesterday. Past tense we have take because yesterday completed. He dash our work usually. Yeah, our work also he only doing usually, regularly like that. This is present tense. Third person singulars. He, she, it, Ram, Shyam, Sita, Geeta. Like that, we can use does. He does our work usually. He does our work usually. Next. They dashed their project last month. Last month, past tense, I said already. Work looking completed, that is called past tense. So, you can use here past tense is did. Do past tense did. Does past tense did only. So, they did their project last month. Did is common for all first person, second person, third person in the past tense. So, the answer is did. Next, she has dash his homework just now. Yo, he is not come here. What should you write? Her. Her homework just now. Has plus V3 can take. That is one of the rule. After the have forms, we are using V3. That is one of the rule. So, do, did, done. Or does, did, done. So, V3 can use. She has done her homework just now. Time not mentioned. Time not mentioned means that is present perfect. We have this topic already clearly given. The present perfect you can verify. Present perfect tense. Time won't mention there. Just now already like that they mentioned some not plus V1 verb, just plus V1 verb like that some giving. You can verify in that. Has plus V3 done. Next. So done. Shahid has done his homework just now. Just now. Next. I dash math teacher near my house. I dash a math teacher near my house. I have. I and plurals have forms using present tense only have. This is a sentence of the present tense. I have. Next. We dash English class today. Present tense only. I and plurals having have. We have English class today. Next, she dash two cars. After the she we are writing has, present tense, past tense had, has, because this is singular. She has two cars. She has two cars. Ram dash scout class last week. Completed already. Yes, no? So that's why Ram had, past tense. Ram had, past tense. Ram had. Sita dash written a story. It's a third verb. Write, wrote, written. So we can use forms. This is also in the present tense. Sita plus has, as it is singular. I dash a new house. After the I, present tense, have only. We know that I have a new house. Still, you have any doubts? Please leave a comment in the comment box. I will clarify. Thank you. Have a great day.